So, the notary public entered the BJMP together with me. Nag-logbook kami ron. We have photos. And there are CCTVs na nakita talaga na ninonotaryo yung affidavit doon mismo sa BJMP.
Is it unusual that that happens? Because I remember reading or watching something na sinasabi po, napakalakas naman itong si Madriaga na pumunta pa sa kanya, notary public.
Hindi kasi pwedeng lumabas eh. So,
That's
these
why I
are-
was asking, is
yeah.
that a normal occurrence? When
Actually-
one has to write or execute an affidavit, obviously it has to be notarized, hindi po ba?
Yes, oo.
Is it a normal occurrence na pupunta po yung notary public doon
Yes,
sa loob
actually,
ng kulungan? Kasi hindi po sila pwede lumabas.
Yes, number one, pangit naman or highly irregular if the detainee will go outside to have the affidavit notarized. Definitely, bawal yon. So what we did was to look for a notary public, dalhin sa loob, which is allowed. It happened naman, nagsimula to during the pandemic time when we submit judicial affidavits of our clients.